How's it going, everybody? This is Coach Wade, and right now we're on the website of MyScoreIQ, and you can be prepared. You get to know your FICO credit score, take advantage of the 7-day trial period that's only $1, and then it's $36.86 per month thereafter. Folks, you're going to have access to the 3-bureau reports on FICO Scores, 3-bureau daily monitoring alerts, dark web and internet monitoring, and also $1 million identity theft insurance. All right. So when it comes to identity theft, it's very important because every 2 seconds, somebody's identity is being stolen. So it's not a matter of if it's going to happen, it's when it's going to happen. Matter of fact, last year, more people had identity theft situations than they did car accidents. The catch is, most people have car insurance. But the thing is, when it comes to your identity, it's a whole lot harder to restore than the vehicle. So it's important to have identity theft protection. You also get access to credit monitoring, 3-bureau FICO scores and reports that we just mentioned earlier. It's going to be all 3 of the major bureaus: Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. Premium fraud restoration, $1 million identity theft insurance, and also the FICO score simulator. This is powerful, folks. Again, try for $1 for 7 days. If you don't like it, you can always cancel. But I'm quite sure you're going to like it. And then after the trial period, it's $36.86 per month. Well worth it. Be sure to check it out. Until we meet again, the link will be in the description for the video. Take care and have a great day.